The huge leap forward in power storage technologies has led to an increased interest in people looking to go off-grid, store their excess solar energy to increase self-consumption, and become energy independent. However, as technologies keep evolving at a rapid pace, customers find it difficult to choose the best energy storage solution suitable to their individual needs. EverExceed is a global provider of energy storage systems with 20 years of battery manufacturing experience. Our newly launched EverPower series is a complete energy storage system that is integrated with a hybrid inverter, long-life lithium iron phosphate battery, and power distribution. It can actively help you shape the energy transition and consume your own solar power around the clock. It also helps you to save up to 100% of power costs and protect against rising energy prices. It employs advanced lithium iron phosphate cells that offer improved safety, stability, and lifespan compared to other lithium technologies. This 48-volt storage system has a nice aesthetic stackable design that helps in quick and easy installation and is also easier to expand according to customers' requirements. Each module's power storage capacity is 5.12 kilowatt-hours, and up to 4 modules can be installed per stack for a total of 20.48 kilowatt-hours to satisfy higher energy needs. The use of A-grade LFP cells offers over 15 years of design life and more than 6,000 cycles of battery life, ensuring maximum longevity and the highest quality with a small footprint. The built-in inverter integrates solar charging, mains charging, and energy storage, and outputs pure sine wave voltage. It can charge and store energy from multiple sources to ensure a continuous power supply during a power outage. In addition, the inverter adopts digital signal processor control and other advanced algorithms, which has the characteristics of fast response, high reliability, and increased safety. It also supports smart mobile app monitoring, helping users to visually check the various system parameters remotely for effective energy management.